Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this iconic silver metallic 2020 Ford F-150. This F-150 is very clean, it has no accidents, it is very well maintained, and comes in the XLT trim package with a 5.0 liter V8 engine. As you lift down the tailgate, you can see a full sprayed bed liner. This truck comes with Bluetooth, auto start stop, cruise control, rear view camera, pre-collision assist, and remote start. You have auto headlights, AM, FM, and Sirius XM. And you also have trailer brake assist. You also have a very large back seat, which also can be folded up for lots of storage. If you want to book a test drive, give us a call at Maclin Ford and have a very nice day.